Hey guys, today is the World Population Day, and through you, I want to reach out to all the presidents and prime ministers of countries and the leaders of all those organizations who care for the world. There are 8 billion of us on this planet Earth, and 2 billion are young children who are going to schools. If there is one thing we could do for these children, we can change the face of the world. I was an engineer at a top company in the world. I got my education from the top universities in the world. And today, me and my company have dedicated our lives towards developing super math intelligence in our children. Math is the language of God. And if you don't believe in God, math is the language of the nature. Math is the language in which the code of universe is written. And if only we can make all our children great at maths, we will make sure that we will have unlocked their potential and they will come up with solution of every challenge that this planet faces or will face in the future. So on this World Population Day, let me wish strongly that there may we see a day when every child who is born on this planet is super duper smart at math, and they go on to achieve their full potential. Okay? Happy World Population Day. Take care.